Hello, welcome back. I'm Mike, this is my t-shirt printers, and it's Capcom time. Okay, so first of all, it's to congratulate Ian for his design, Slowies. You're through to the finals. So what can our finalists win and how's this gonna work? First, our finalists have the chance of winning either this cap bag, where the caps can go inside and they can be all nice and safe, or a set of 5 snapback caps, or 5 of these flex fit baseball caps, with their winning design embroidered onto the caps. What's going to happen is I'm going to give each design a number in the comments below, where you can either go smash the like button of that number or write in the comments of which one is your favorite. So if you're one of the contestants, it's time to get everybody you know to basically vote for your design. Your friends, your family, your dog, everyone. 3 finalists that we have in the showdown are, from week 1 we've got Deluxe, from week 2 we've got Bone Shaker, and then from week 3 we've got Slowies. So we're going to have vote number 1, vote number 2, and then vote number 3. I'm going to write them in the comments below. Whichever one is your favorite, you just go smash or comment on which one is your favorite. Then whoever got the most votes, as I just said, you become the winner. We're going to embroider out your caps and send them on their way and hopefully get there before Christmas. Boom! The winner will be announced on this channel in the community section and Instagram and Facebook. So just keep an eye on that and you'll find out who the winner is. And because there were so many good designs that were sent through, I think all of them were really good. I'm going to be using some of them in some videos. I just think some of them are really good to actually do as like projects, and some of them are really challenging, so I thought, well, those would be good things to do videos on. So whoever I use, whatever files I use of your designs, I'm going to be sending you guys your own embroidery files so that you have them. You can do whatever you want with them just as a thank you, and they'll be featured on the channel as embroidered files. So anyway, so right now I am busy editing the next vlog, which is behind me over there. It is up there. And that's hopefully going to be up tomorrow. I'm going to be editing like crazy, so I'm going to get back to that. Really a short one today. Good luck to all the contestants, and I'll catch you later on tomorrow. I'm out of here.